What's the meaning of ancestry? Ancestry. 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 Ancestry.
Ancestry refers to a person's lineage or the family history of their ancestors. This includes their ethnic, racial, and national origins, as well as the cultural practices and traditions they may have inherited. Understanding one's ancestry can provide insight into one's identity and history, as well as help to connect individuals with their heritage. Exploring ancestry can involve researching family trees, DNA testing, and analyzing historical records and documents. It is an important aspect of individual and collective identity, and can contribute to a stronger sense of community and belonging.